Bath bombs from Third Day Soaps Garden, luxuriously beautiful. Lemongrass, lavender, calendula, coconut oil, olive oil, Epsom salts, Dead Sea salts. A beautiful experience for beautiful, healthy skin. Take away stress, drama, and bring love and beauty into your life and nourishment to your skin. Bath bomb from Third Day Soaps Garden. Soak away your stress, soak away the drama, and bring goodness and positive energy into your life. To find these online, go to thirdDaySoapsGarden.com. Relax. Comfort your skin. Get rid of eczema, psoriasis, acne, excessive dry shaping of the skin. Enjoy your day.